have some fun. On the run with Rose Bowl title, son. So don't try to front, see. Number one offense in the country. We live real hungry, ballin', boy. Why the country boy stallin', boy? Like at least keep it ballin', boy. Bling, bling, national champions ring. America team, I love it when you come through the steam. On the way, Sebastian lead the way. Everybody gon' remember the day.
What you know about the Hurricanes going to the Rose Bowl? Freeze, nobody move till we say so. Ballers, boy, undefeated, boy. Got it on lock, boy. Can't be stopped, boy. 11-0, boy, for show, boy. Here we go again, Big East champs again. Miami's back again. Offense, so what the deal? Move that ball down the field. To the left, to the right, touchdown, now shout. Who let them Canes out? What you know about them Miami boys? What you know about them Miami boys? What you know about them Miami boys? Hurricanes ballin', boy. What you know about them Miami boys? What you know about them Miami boys? What you know about them Miami boys? Hurricanes ballin', boy. The ball running up the field, these Miami boys got to be real. Dip through the hole, then bounce outside. All I see is the end zone, it's time to ride. They DB fast, from a gate, he's fast. So line lead the way to start Nebraska. At the Rose Bowl game, don't need to fear. Them Hurricanes gonna be the champs this year.
What you know about me, boy? 2-0 E Reed, boy. The best DB, boy. Knock you off your feet, boy. Leave it play up, brain gets pain. Them Canes are off the chain. Come cross my middle, get swollen up, burst no chance in the road. I don't see no DBs, what's my name, boy? Ain't no game, boy. For real, when the Hurricanes take the field, everybody else better cheer. Looking for the back like the old days, stay undefeated just like the old days. Got a rain, boy, just like the old days. Next year, repeat, boy, just like the old days. For real, what you know about them Miami boys? What you know about them Miami boys? What you know about them Miami boys? Hurricanes ballin', boy. What you know about them Miami boys? What you know about them Miami boys? What you know about them Miami boys? Hurricanes ballin', boy. Miami boys. What about Miami boys?
You feel that? You better hold on. This one's about to get bumpy.
I'll stay for nothing less, or never stand again. These are the limits when one's buried, and this body's left the soul. Could we have known? Never would I help to nail down. Careful of drifting off, now losing taste and touch, turning a pale blue, waiting at the same. This body's left the soul. The brain needs oxygen, can't sneak around this bait. His catacomb has got me by the chin. This body's left the soul. Could we have known? Never would I help to nail down, with nothing to gain. Here's the clincher, this should be you. Now saturate, now saturate, now saturate.
for a long time. Inside of my hand is now a quick pull trigger, reason for my cigarette. And say your hair's on fire, you must have lost your wits, yeah. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, better run, now run my gun. All the other kids with the pumped up kicks, better run, faster than my bullet. All the other kids
morning, 2 hoes laying next to me. Plus I heard an officer arrested me. Good and cold drinks, that's the motherfucking recipe. And we roll deep, deep, so deep, it's going down in this bitch. Concrete, we gon' party all night. No sleep, tell the owner them is all my guys. So tonight everything is on me. The drinks is on me. The is the hotel, the weed is all free. Get high, me so high, we don't see the whole suite. Then fly to a level where you gon' need your own key. TGOD. No driving, no sleeping. Live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long. No driving, no sleeping. Live it up like it's the weekend. When the DJ play the right song, gon' drink, gon' party all night long. Leaving from the club, now she wanna stay with us. Came to spend it all, don't care what I'm paying for. Used to be too young, now I'm out here buying a bar. Every time I look up, it's another red cup. Bunch of niggas in the game, but they ain't playing with us. They just playing enough. Man, them niggas ain't ballin', they just laying it up. Saying they does, I'm just rolling hella weed up while on my way to the club. I had to wait at the club, but now I don't, cause everything is on me. The drinks is on me. The